Good YouTube, we are back. Another video. Today gonna be small updates. I'm all about the little things, the details, and that's what we're gonna be working on today. Something simple. I know you guys have probably seen, if you follow, especially in the BMW community. I mean, I would say just about in all communities. The company Goldenwrench, all the caps and things of that nature, like they have different colors like red, blue, and gray and stuff like that. Some custom as well, but so it's a lot of hype. Everybody has them in the engine bay. It adds, a level of customization and good finishes and stuff. So I said, you know what, let's give it a shot. Let's see if I can get the right set to add that extra pop to the engine bay of my car, the G80 M3. So that's what I got here. And also went ahead and got another badge for my engine cover. So I have the titanium in there, so I got a badge. Shouts out to Arcade Titanium for sending me over this bad boy. And yeah, I should tie in the rest of it there because I think the stock M badge look weird, kind of out of place, but it should be pretty cool. Something simple, nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and get to it. Pop this hood. there you have it. That's pretty much it. So I went with the gray Goldenwrench caps, mainly because I didn't want to do blue. I thought it'd be too much blue, but the royal blue. So I went with the gray to kind of pop out the weaves of the carbon fiber. As you can see, I got the blue titanium emblem now for the engine cover, so that looks really good. All in all, as far as quality wise of the caps, great quality, great finish. They're not complete replacement caps. They are, which I kind of wish they were, because I think you're paying 100 or something bucks for a little kit there. You kind of wish they were replacements, but they're great quality. It is 3M right over top of the existing caps, and they actually fit. They are grooved to where you put the cap on and it does hold it. It like locks it in place, so then that way it doesn't just like rotate around and spin around and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I love them. I love it. I think it looks pretty sharp, and something simple, something quick you can do. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. God. Oh, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like the gray as opposed to like blue or something like that, or if I should have got it, or if I should have gotten them custom painted maybe to match the car tanzanite. But I like them. I think it looks good. Might do the gas cap at some point as well, because I think they have that as well for this car. So who knows, that'll like last little thing I do. But let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, if you're thinking about getting Goldenwrench caps, maybe this kind of helped you make that decision. I like them. I think they do look good, and I think they do add they add some high quality finishes to your engine bay as opposed to the black plastic that's in there now, especially when you have all these other parts and components. You don't want to have this crappy old black plastic thing. So still got a few more things left I'm gonna do on the engine bay, and then that's pretty much done. Stay tuned, we will be back. Catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.